Welcome. Today we're diving into the simple steps to share your Instagram highlights, ensuring your best moments are easily accessible to your friends and followers. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features seamlessly. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This action will take you directly to your profile page, where all your posts and highlights are displayed. Once you're on your profile, look under your bio for the highlights section. Here, you'll see the circular icons representing your saved highlights. These are the stories you've chosen to showcase permanently on your profile. Now, it's time to share. Click and hold on the highlight you wish to share. This will bring up a menu with various options tailored for sharing. From this menu, select Share To. This option allows you to choose how and where you want to share your highlight. You can share it directly to your Instagram story, send it as a direct message to specific friends, or even share it outside of Instagram on other social media platforms. Finally, select where you want to share it. If you choose to add it to your story, it will appear for 24 hours for all of your followers to see. Alternatively, sending it via direct message allows for a more personal touch, sharing those cherished moments with select individuals. Sharing highlights is a fantastic way to keep your audience engaged and showcase the best parts of your life or brand. Whether it's a memorable trip, a special event, or just everyday moments that matter to you, these steps make sharing them effortless. So there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you can share your Instagram highlights and connect with others in a meaningful way. Thanks for joining me today. Happy sharing!